They've been teasing it for a little, but now it gets to officially say hi to the world, and not while wearing crazy paint or being disguised as a concept. This is the 2025 Volkswagen ID.7, and yes, it's being referred to as a 2025 model year vehicle, as it will arrive for sale in the US in 2024. Volkswagen considers this an upper-class mid-size sedan, so it gets some fancy new features on the inside to match the slick shape on the outside. Initially, the ID.7 will arrive here with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and it will power a singular motor mounted at the rear, set to deliver 282 horsepower. With that setup, Volkswagen is hoping the car provides 300 miles of driving range. This will be the ID.7 Pro model. Once the rear-wheel drive version lands, there will be another not far behind. Volkswagen will bring an ID.7 with a larger 86 kilowatt-hour pack. And there's a good chance the larger pack will be offered with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. This one is the Pro S. The smaller pack can handle up to 170 kilowatt charging speeds, while the Pro S can take on the electrons at up to 200 kilowatts. Size-wise, think Mercedes EQE. There should be good room inside, and you have a hatchback-style trunk in the rear. Additionally, I mentioned tech at the beginning, and this thing has it. Central to the cabin space is a large 15-inch display screen. Ahead of the driver is an augmented reality head-up display, which can project information at different distances, so you can have the speed displayed closer while the navigation directions are a bit farther ahead. And you can of course adjust the information being displayed to show as little or as much as you'd like. Overhead, there's an available panoramic glass roof, and you can adjust the amount of light coming through thanks to the liquid crystal layer. You can have it opaque or transparent, and it's adjusted via a press of a button or by speaking a command. Car, roof, light. That's probably not it, but it would be fun if you can customize the command.
What is divine light? Aziz light! Much better, thank you, Aziz.
There's more though, as Volkswagen has a set of optional front seats that sound pretty great too. They have what's called a climatronic function, which means the seats adjust the heating and cooling functionality on their own. There are temperature and moisture sensors in the seat that work to regulate your own comfort along your drive. Additionally, there's a massage setup with a ton of spots built in to help keep you cozy. Further, the actual climate system features motors in the vents to better control the flow of air and get better distribution of that air. All in all, it sounds like Volkswagen really wants the cabin of the ID.7 to be a fantastic place to spend time. There's no word yet on price nor on official EPA range estimates. We'll get those to you when VW spills more beans on this thing.